Here's the inside of the Juki DDL 9000C SMS motor. And I'm gonna show you how I connect this 9 wires right here. Okay, let's start. Alright guys, finally we're on our last step. We are going to install these wires from my Juki DDL 9000C SMS. We have 9 wire connections here. I'm going to show you how to connect it to this one. First is we have to take out this cover. So we have to carefully take this out. It has there you go. Set this aside. Here's the inside of the Juki DDL 9000C SMS motor. And I'm gonna show you how I connect this 9 wires right here. Okay, let's start. I'm showing you this side right here. You see there's this black thing. You can actually push it open. Just like push it open and secure these wires first. Or yeah, we have to secure them first to make it look cleaner. After securing these wires from this black fastener, we have to, you see this space right here? Just go over this thing. Carefully not to like anything. From this black fastener, you just carefully secure them to this space right here to hold these wires. And okay, let's start. This is what we call the ground wire, and we are going to put it right over this side right here. This is where the ground wire goes, right there. Alright, so after the ground wire, let's check this thing. We have, you see this wire right here, the one with the red, it's actually, it says CN22. This side, CN22 connects with this one right here. It says CN22, red to red. Okay, make sure you hear that click sound. Okay, next is we have, all right, so this one goes right here. There you go. Then lock it. You see there's this clip right here. This one, you must hear a click. You know that it's placed there because they have different sizes, and you can see, like, you know, a puzzle, you can just fit the size. So there's this is the widest one right here. This gray one should fit there, and you must hear a click. Next is, okay, let's continue. Next is this wire right here. It is actually, you see this? It has 4 prongs. I think it's called prongs, and we're gonna put it right this side right here. You see that? Just try to fit them in. Okay, I think it's like this. Oop. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, you have to place it there because there's like 4 holes. There, it's tightly fastened. Next is this big one right here. It has 4 big prongs too. Okay, so it's like this. You see the other side has this and also this one, so just make a puzzle. Oop, there. Did you hear the click? That's the click. Means it's securely fastened. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the ground wire 6. So we still have 7. So we still have this. You see this one right here? It has like 9 holes, so it goes to this. You see this side? So just connecting it. Like, let me see. I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Everything is okay. Let's leave it there first because I want to make sure I'm doing it right. All right, so you see this 9 holes fits here, right? So this one right here goes at the bottom. Yeah, it should be at the bottom. So let me show you. There, because you see this right here, this fits with that one, so it should be at the bottom there. See, then click. Next is we have, sorry because I'm holding it by one hand. Next is this one right here, and it says CN21. It says CN21. So you see this part on the lower corner, it says CN21, so they fit together. And just make sure there. Hold on, sorry. I keep on moving my camera, but because I want to make sure you see it properly when I install them. There. So where is the CN21? Here we go. So see this, the bottom. And just click there. Next we have this little flat right here, and it goes to this side. See this 2 with batteries, like 2 little batteries. So it just goes here. There. Always here to click. And lastly, we have this 4 holes, and it goes to this side. See? So basically, it's really easy to install. It's just like you're doing a puzzle. But I just want to make sure the wires are not like super tangled. So see, this one is on top because I see that. You see that? It's on Top. Click. Yeah, so just make sure everything is installed properly and it's not loose and everything is like tightly, securely fastened. So we're done. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 the ground wire. That's it. Now we just have to like arrange it and put this cover back on. Okay. Alright guys, so we're putting back the cover and make sure it's I'm gonna turn it on. Ooh, it is turning on. So it's saying, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It says select language. So that's the first thing that appears right when you start the machine. Okay, let's see. We want to choose English, and then maybe it's this one. Whoa. Okay. Perfect. I'm so excited. Okay guys, for more videos, please like and subscribe. So I actually did it successfully and I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna enjoy exploring my Juki 9000 DDL Juki DDL 9000C SMS. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy, and check my other videos on how I install my K-leg table, how I drilled the not pre-drilled hole of my table, and also how I put on the sewing machine head, the pedal, and of course the electrical wires. Finally, we're done. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope I have helped you. And this is how I install my Juki DDL 9000C SMS motor. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.